Hold still. Target suppressed. Free samples. Suppressing.
File deleted. Okay. I am going to kill you now. There really was a cake.
Firing. Searching.
One 18.25-ounce packaged chocolate cake mix, 1 can prepared coconut pecan frosting, 3/4 cup vegetable oil, 4 large eggs, 1 cup semi-sweet chocolate chips, 3/4 cup butter or margarine, softened, 1 and 2/3 cups granulated sugar, 3 large eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 2 cups all-purpose flour, 2/3 cup cocoa, 1 and 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, 1 and 1/3 cups water, 1 to 2, 16 ounces each, cans, vanilla frosting. Don't forget garnishes such as fish-shaped crackers, fish-shaped candies, fish-shaped solid waste, fish-shaped dirt, fish-shaped ethyl benzene, pull and peel licorice, fish-shaped volatile organic compounds, and sediment-shaped sediment. A 20-foot thick impermeable clay layer, candy-coated peanut butter pieces, shaped like fish, blue and yellow food colors, alpha resins, unsaturated polyester resin, fiberglass surface resins, and volatile malted milk impoundments, 9 large egg yolks, 12 medium geosynthetic membranes, 3 large whole eggs, 1 cup granulated sugar, 1 cup lemon juice, 4 immunosensors, 2 cups heavy cream, 3 tablespoons granulated sugar, 2 egg-based gelled flame fuels, 2 cups rhubarb, sliced, 2/3 cup granulated rhubarb, 1 tablespoon all-purpose rhubarb, 1 teaspoon grated orange rhubarb, an entry called How to Kill Someone with Your Bare Hands, 2 teaspoons baking rhubarb, 1/2 teaspoons salt and rhubarb, 3 tablespoons rhubarb on fire, 1 large rhubarb, 3 tablespoons rhubarb milk, 1 cross borehole electromagnetic imaging rhubarb, 2 tablespoons rhubarb juice. Sweet potato tea cake, take me to a picnic cake, trim time chocolate cake roll, tropical snack cake, tunnel of fudge cake, sour cream pumpkin bundt cake, spicy jalapeno chocolate cake, upside down apple coffee cake, upside down rhubarb cake, upside down benthic flux sampling device cake, vanilla crazy 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 cake. Nutcracker sweet ginger walnut thermal reactor loaf, old-fashioned fiber optic relative humidity sensor cake, Old South prune cake, 1 bowl chocolate cake with easy laser-induced fluorescence frosting, persimmon pudding cake, pineapple upside down cake 1, pineapple upside down cake 2, pineapple upside down cake 3, arm and hand positioner, full-width plastic body positioners, multi-block plastic body positioners, extremities positioner, aluminum body bridges, plastic lower body positioner. Pineapple upside down cake 4, adjustable aluminum head positioner, disposable polystyrene head block, slaughter electric needle injector, cordless electric needle injector, injector needle driver, injector needle gun, cranial caps, mouth formers, rhubarb and rhubarb and rhubarb and rhubarb and rhubarb, and it contains proven preservatives, deep penetration agents, and gas and odor control chemicals that will deodorize and preserve putrid tissue as well as areas of the body that arterial embalming may have missed, and rhubarb